Someone tell me why I didn't get this sooner. So someone recently told me about these, and I didn't realise how strong these ones were. I literally put my full force in it. They're just easy to use. I just clip it onto the trolley, and I don't get wet whilst it dries now. Who's ever seen a brolly do this? Yes, it is literally automatic, and these little bits reinforce and bend. Yes, don't tell me it's illegal to do it in the house, but look at the size of it. I've literally heard no one get bad luck from it. The only problem I had with it is that it cost me 25 quid. Now, the exact same one's on special offer for like £8. And considering they charge £6 in superstores for a small one, I'm genuinely impressed with it. Anyways, I'll leave the link for the deal in the yellow basket. Let me know in the comments what you think.